Hello guys, today we are make Dai Mini Motor Speed Controller Kit. Material required: battery holder, speed switch module, push connector, motor, propeller and AA battery. Let's start to make our circuit. Push connector. Step 1. Speed switch module. The red wire of the speed switch module connect to T6 terminal and the black wire connect to T5 terminal and the green wire connect to T4 terminal. Step 2. Battery holder. The red wire of the battery holder connect to T1 and the black wire connect to T2 terminal. Step 3. Motor. The red wire of the motor connect to T1 terminal and the black wire connect to T3 terminal.
Step 4. Attach propeller to the motor.
Step 5. Put the battery in the battery holder. After completing our circuit, when we control the speed of the motor with the help of speed switch module, then the motor speed increase from low to high. As you can see when I am decrease the speed switch module, then the motor will be working slowly. The motor will be working properly. I hope you are enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.